my mom tomorrow her disability pride month here in the United America. I wanted to make and talk to you about what how disability pride had represents. Before I started this video, I did want to mention that disability pride is something completely different from the regular Pride Month. They are both very, very important, but I did want to mention that disability pride is a month dedicated to celebrating people with disability and the American with Disability Act that will be 35 years old this month. I believe on July 26th is the American with Disability Act History Day, and the day it turns 25. So let's get right into this video. So I'm using a Betty Harper white pigment, and I'm going to dye the hair different color. So the first thing I'm going to do is add in all my ingredients. Maybe. Oh. Alright. Yeah. Well. Okay. Now I need preheat the oven to heat 25. We find about we met our oven here before.
355, right?
25.
Oh, 25.
Too high. Okay. So as you can see, I've had help preheating the oven, but if you are doing this at home and you want to do it independently, I did use a mini-based oven to help me made the benefit, but believe it or not, they are actually very helpful for disabled people, so maybe consider doing that. The next thing I'm going to do is put my egg in a bowl, egg in here I mean. So how I usually do that, I'm going to repeat if I mix them all of the container, maybe, and I kind of hey, that went pretty good. Thank you. There we go. And now I need vegetable oil. Oh, here I put a Nope. Here. They hit on women from people who need to learn how to make how to and in the world in addition to occupy over one right above before you make point. When measuring part, the one that I have is math, but I do find that if you have a disability, if you have a disability, if you have a disability of practice, might be better, Hama. A practice one you can't break. So maybe if they is maybe one of your pastimes, maybe consider meeting a practice measuring time. Now I have to mix it all together, and you can do one of two things. You can use a weightable with like this one with an active hand, or you can do it anyway, and you can use your electric remote. You can use, your, wait. Now we are gonna separate each minute amount of tape into minute tiny balls like this one you see here, and we are gonna dye each ball with the color to represent each disability pride head. I will put a pride head right here, but I will also do a voice over what each color means. And then we are going to layer the tape when it's all done. So we have a pretty rainbow disability pride head tape. Let's get to it.
Green is sensory disabilities, e.g., blindness, deafness, sensory processing disorders. Sensory disabilities affect how a person gathers and processes information from the world through their physical senses. Neurodivergence, cognitive and intellectual disabilities. Gold, yellow. Neurodivergence, cognitive and intellectual disabilities. Autism, ADHD, TBI, aphasia. Blue, psychiatric and mental health disabilities. Red, physical disabilities. Cerebral palsy, CP, SMA. The Disability Pride flag is a prominent symbol of solidarity and identity for the global disabled community. Designed in 2021 by disabled advocate Anne McGill, the flag features 5 distinct colors on a charcoal background, with a diagonal band symbolizing unity. The current 2021 diagonal design is an accessible update to Anne McGill's original 2019 flag. The original version featured bright, zigzagging stripes. However, after the disability community provided feedback that the sharp lines created a visually triggering strobe or flicker effect for individuals with light-sensitive migraines or epilepsy, the design was muted and straightened.